Launch X431 PRO3 ACE Customer Review. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Here share a customer review about Launch X431 PRO3 ACE diagnostic tool. After using the X431 PRO3 ACE scanner for a while, I'm really impressed with how much it has to offer. Whether you're a professional mechanic or just someone who likes to do their own vehicle maintenance, this tool is a must-have in the garage. First off, the setup was a breeze. Right out of the box, it was ready to go. The 10-inch touchscreen display is a major highlight. It's large, bright, and very responsive, making it easy to navigate through the various functions. The interface is intuitive, so I didn't need to spend a lot of time learning how to use it. One of the standout features is the comprehensive diagnostics. It covers everything from engine and transmission to ABS and SRS systems. I've even used it to check on the battery management system and airbag modules. It's clear that this scanner goes beyond just basic code reading. It gives you in-depth data that's crucial for diagnosing complex issues. Another feature I love is the bi-directional control. Being able to perform active tests on components like fuel injectors, valves, and pumps without having to dive under the hood is incredibly convenient. It's like having a direct line of communication with the vehicle's systems, which has saved me so much time. The live data stream is also top-notch. You can view multiple parameters at once, and the graphing capability helps to identify trends and issues at a glance. Plus, the data can be recorded and played back, which is great for reviewing or sharing with others. The X431 PRO3 ACE also shines with its advanced ECU coding and adaptations. This is useful when working on European cars, where you need to reprogram control units. The process is straightforward, and the scanner guides you through each step. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity are other big pluses. The scanner receives regular software updates, so you're always up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. The wireless connection means I can move around the garage without being tethered to the car. In terms of build quality, it's solid. It feels durable and well-constructed, which is important when you're using it in a busy workshop environment, or if you're clumsy like I am. It's also portable enough to take on the go if needed. I also enjoy having the ability to have access to the Play Store to add other tools I use on modified vehicles, and the ability to transfer user manuals in PDF to use on the go if needed. The only minor downside is the price, but considering the wealth of features and the reliability it offers, I think it's a worthwhile investment. If you're serious about diagnostics, the X431 PRO3 ACE is a tool that won't disappoint. This is an OEM-level scan tool with about as many active test and special functions as you can have on a scan tool. Launch has upped its game with a host of automotive testing equipment that works in conjunction with this scan tool. Overall, this Launch X431 scanner has exceeded my expectations in every way. It's powerful, easy to use, and packed with features that make vehicle diagnostics a lot more efficient and accurate. I highly recommend it to anyone in need of a professional-grade scanner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.